Hi everyone, welcome to this video about delivering Esri technology in a time of change. My name is Doal Dalal and I'm a principal consultant with Esri UK Professional Services. We are a 100-strong group of Esri solution architects, developers and consultants who work with our customers across all sectors of the economy to understand requirements and develop solutions using a geographic approach. Like you, we have also had to respond to the current challenges of COVID-19. We have a long history of working remotely and have a large remote workforce. As well as visiting our customers, most of our professional service staff are either home-based or routinely work from home. And over the years, we have refined our ways of working to enable remote teams to deliver our services. We started our own digital transformation a few years ago with a conscious shift from on-premise systems to a cloud-first software as a service approach. A successful digital transformation strategy has made transitioning to home working during the pandemic a seamless experience for both our staff as well as our customers. In this video, we will describe our own experiences and lessons learned of working with our customers remotely to help you adjust to this new normal. We will show you how we take advantage of the flexibility in deployment options of Esri software, how we tailor our delivery approach to suit project needs, and how we create collaborative working environments for distributed teams. We hope that by sharing these experiences, you can keep working and advancing. We are all currently living through a time of unprecedented change in the workplace. Organizations are having to rapidly adjust to continue to deliver services to their staff and customers. We are all facing challenges and asking ourselves questions like, how do I adjust to remote working? Or how do I maintain momentum to deliver current services? But as they say, necessity is the mother of invention. This pandemic has forced us all to reorganize our daily lives around the restrictions and social distancing measures that have been put in place. Numerous companies who have previously come up against internal and external resistance to digital transformation are rapidly innovating to replace more familiar and conventional methods with digital processes. We are now asking ourselves, can I take advantage of new ways of working to innovate, accelerate capability development, and work in a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way? We have seen how technology has played an important role in keeping the country functioning in this difficult time. And Esri are no different. Many of our customers have been using geography to understand and manage the spread and impact of COVID-19, rapidly delivering highly scalable, secure, and robust Esri-based solutions, accessible anytime, anywhere, and on any device. And as we move into the next phase of this pandemic and ease out of lockdown, business executives and organizational leaders are faced with the challenge of how and where to resume operations. Locational intelligence is helping them create and execute plans for a new version of workplace safety using solutions like indoor maps and operational dashboards. Let's now take a look at the various options available to deploy Esri software. Esri software is flexible and can be deployed in various ways. This ranges from ArcGIS Online, our software as a service, to ArcGIS Enterprise, either hosted by Esri UK Managed Cloud Services or on your own infrastructure, or a hybrid of these. All of these options can support remote working and collaboration, but choosing the right deployment model can significantly impact the effort and speed required to implement a solution, and also the level of performance, maintainability, robustness, and scalability. When choosing your Esri technology, the first question you should ask is, can I use ArcGIS Online? If the answer is yes, you will see numerous benefits such as quick deployment and a low cost of entry. A previous barrier for using ArcGIS Online for some UK customers was that the data was stored in North American data centers, but that's been removed with EU data hosting now available as an option. If you have security or sovereignty concerns regarding either your data or your solution, don't assume you can't use ArcGIS Online. We have published cloud compliance and security information that are worth reading before making a decision. If ArcGIS Online doesn't meet your needs, the second option you may want to consider is getting Esri UK Managed Cloud Services to host and manage a dedicated single tenancy ArcGIS Enterprise solution for you in the cloud. This means you can benefit from software as a service, but also the full capability of ArcGIS Enterprise, with support, maintenance, and upgrades designed to meet your needs. With this approach, there's no need to provision and maintain internal infrastructure, saving you associated time and cost. You will reduce the dependency on internal or outsourced IT, giving you greater control and enabling you to take advantage of the latest technology and extend your GIS capabilities. Ultimately, this will mean you'll spend more time using rather than configuring or administrating your GIS. A third option is ArcGIS Enterprise installed on infrastructure that you control and manage, whether in the cloud, on-premise, or on virtual machines. This gives you the ability to design a highly customized system that meets your organization's unique business needs, as well as deployments that are completely disconnected from the internet. And finally, when choosing which product is right for you, note that it does not have to be one product or the other. ArcGIS Enterprise and ArcGIS Online are designed to work together and can serve different purposes within your organization. For example, from within ArcGIS Enterprise, you can use ArcGIS Online services such as elevation or geocoding. You can also access Esri curated Living Atlas content such as base maps and imagery. The Esri platform supports various patterns of collaboration that allows you to quickly, easily, and securely share data and content across multiple ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise deployments. For instance, you could set up an internal collaboration that allows members of your organization across different departments or offices to work together. An external collaboration with your partners, stakeholders, suppliers, or customers, such as on a joint venture project. Or you could use public collaboration to crowdsource data from volunteers or citizen scientists and engage with your community. Field data collection by field workers outside of your organization. Respond to emergencies by sharing data during an incident or emergency at very short notice, and many other patterns that meet your organization's bespoke needs. Okay, so that was an overview of options for new deployments, but what if I have an existing Esri technology that I want to migrate as part of a digital transformation? Organizations that are successful in their use of GIS across the enterprise continuously modernize to take advantage of new capabilities and maximize their technology investments to support their business objectives. This modernization often requires migrating users, groups, and content from one GIS system to another. Migration strategies vary depending on the size and goals of organizations, but successful and efficient migrations are achievable by careful planning and execution of your migration activity. And the benefits of this are clear: better performance, lower costs, updated capabilities, and compliance security. To find out more, visit the link on the slide or talk to us about planning your migration strategy using common, well-established patterns. Having understood the deployment options available, next I would like to look at how Esri UK Professional Services are supporting customers with their ArcGIS deployments. Many of these patterns and approaches have been in place for some time, but they are particularly pertinent during the current pandemic. In most cases, project teams, which include Esri UK as well as your own staff, have been able to access web GIS environments directly over the internet using secure logins. This could either be ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise, or in some cases both. With ArcGIS Enterprise, we often need to have access to backend servers, and we do this either by remote desktop access to customer servers directly from our laptops or via VPN from customer-provided laptops. When our customer environments are in the cloud, we gain secure access directly to their AWS or Azure subscriptions. There are some cases where customers can't or don't want to provide internet access to a shared development environment, either in the cloud or on-premise. This may be because their data holds customer details or the solution they are building is commercially sensitive. In these cases, we have established delivery models that still allow us to work together but remotely. In the case shown here, requirements are abstracted and data anonymized before being worked on off-site. The team can then deliver a packaged solution which can be deployed and tested on-site. In many ways, this is a traditional method of delivering systems, but you can still take advantage of team collaboration tools, cloud-based environments, and development tools, as well as agile delivery techniques. In these cases, our experience is that how you collaborate becomes ever more important to a successful project. How you deliver projects and solutions across remote working teams is just as important as your technology decisions. Creating that right project environment and providing the tools and training for your team to be effective in their jobs is critical to a successful project outcome. The way information is captured, shared, and used in a project environment is never more important than when working remotely. At Esri UK, we have our own standard tools, but we frequently adopt those of the customer. Working remotely doesn't need to be a barrier to getting the job done. You and your delivery partners can create distributed project teams working as effectively as if you were all in the office together. So in this video, you have seen how we tailor our delivery approach to suit project needs, how we take advantage of the flexibility in deployment options of Esri software, and how we create collaborative working environments for distributed teams. Hopefully you can see there are rarely barriers to working remotely that can't be overcome. While this is a time of change that presents numerous challenges, there's also great opportunity to transform the way we work. Esri technology can be deployed in multiple flexible scenarios to support you. Our professional services team are there to provide the advice and guidance you may need. Plus, we have a lot of experience of working in a remote and collaborative way. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.